Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. People living in poverty do not have enough money for basic necessities such as food and shelter. An example of poverty is the state a person is in when he is homeless and does not have enough money. The rate of poverty in India is increasing because of the population in the urban areas. Most importantly, crores of peoples are below the poverty line and most of the people are on the borderline of poverty. Poverty in India is seen mainly in the rural areas because of the uneducated and unemployed and increased population. Many people do not afford to get proper foods for their daily life and even they don't have their own homes. They sleep on the footpath or road. More populations need more food, money and for staying houses, but due to lack of this poverty grows very quickly. Thus, in addition, rich are growing richer and the poor becoming more poorer, which becomes difficult to fill the gap. Poverty has many effects like it reduces poor housing, illiteracy, increase the rate of child labor and unemployment, poor hygiene. Hence, these poor people cannot afford a balanced diet, nice clothes, well education, etc. Reason only because they don't have much money to afford this. Poverty can be controlled by giving them proper education and also providing the proper facilities to the farmers so that those farmers get more profitable and do not migrate to cities in search of employment. Also, the illiterate people should get proper education to make their life better. Family planning is also essential for coming out of poverty. Poverty in our country is from ancient times. Even earlier times, the poor people were not given the place that rich people used to get, even if they were not allowed to enter religious places. Main causes of poverty are like unemployment, lack of education, poor utilization of resources, corruption, and poor government policy. Poverty can be solved by improving food security, by providing 3 meals a day and making them healthy, and providing houses for those people at low cost and giving them proper education and facilities so that they can earn well and take care of their family and live a peaceful life. Awareness on population so that once the population is under control, the economy of the country will improve and move towards development and decrease in the poverty line. Poverty is becoming a complex problem for the people and for the government. How to overcome this? In India, the poverty is high compared to other countries because the growth rate of per capita income per person is very low. With lack of job opportunities, many people move as a rickshaw puller, construction workers, domestic servants, etc. with irregular small incomes. Hence, they live in slum areas. Also, lack of land resources has been one of the major causes of poverty in India. Even the small farmers of our country lead to poverty because they cultivate but do not get proper money in terms of profit and leads to poverty. Stop.